Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My channel is Crafty Yarn Owl with Darla, and I'm Darla. It's so good to see you all. Yeah, my glasses are tinted up right now. I just went outside to stalk the mailman or the mail carrier, but she didn't bring me anything good. So, yeah, I have a few things to talk about today. And I have a Dollar Tree, I have a couple of shout outs, I have a finished crochet object. So let's get right into it. So do you have your coffee or your tea with you? I have coffee, as you may have noticed. All right, shout outs first of all. I want to give a shout out to Pamela from Pamela's Adoring Crochet. I've been following her since, I guess since she first started, and she's been following me as well, which is really, really sweet. We've developed a nice friendship. She is just a caring lady with a talent for crochet. She has a big heart. She's fun to watch. So yeah, hi Pamela. And I sent her some happy mail, because I want to congratulate her on the success of her channel. And so I'm in Canada, she's in the US, so I sent her some Canada things, and she was tickled pink. And I'll link that video below. And please, if you don't know her, go over there and check her out, and subscribe. Why not, right? So yeah, she was talking about a top that I had made, a summer top that I had designed a while back, and she was trying to say the name of the top, Easy Summer Breezy something, and I don't even remember, but I'll link that tutorial below as well. And she said it's her go-to top in her closet, and she showed a couple that she had made from my pattern, and she said, I'm a great designer. Oh my gosh, I'm just like, me? But yeah, that was so nice of you, Pamela. Thank you so much for all your kind words. Yeah, so she also sent me an amazing email, and it's just so sweet, so sweet. Thank you, Pamela. Okay, so the other one I want to shout out today is Sarah's Little Corner of the Crochet World. I've been wanting to do this for a while. Finally, I'm doing it. We live in the same city, so we met last November for my birthday, and her birthday was 2 days before mine, but she had some gifts for me, and I did open them on camera. So that video's back in November on my channel. She showed me a bunch of pictures of her crochet items, and I said, girl, you need a channel. And then she started a channel, and she actually said on her channel that it was because of me she started a channel. So you know, that just, oh wow, you know, that is wonderful. I didn't even know how to respond to that. But she's got some tutorials up, and she shows how to make a hair scrunchie with beads. And I've told her already that I'm going to make that because I want to. And yeah, she has a couple of other tutorials. So please go check her out. She's just starting. I think she has under 100 subscribers right now, so we need to help her out. I'll put her link below. Yeah, so those are my shout outs for today, and I'm going to show you my little Dollar Tree haul. I do paper crafting as well. This is just going to be quick. I ran in and ran out of there, which was very unusual for me. I usually go down every row since we're able to buy non-essential items now. I think crafting items are essential, by the way. So here I got these stickers. These are cat stickers. I thought they were just so adorbs. And I do use stickers to make cards. And you can stick them on Happy Mail, anything you want, really. And those are cats. These are dogs. Because I'm an animal lover, love animals. I pray for animals. And then I got these butterflies. I got 3 packages of these, actually. I just thought they were very pretty. And I love blue. Royal blue is my favorite color. But I also love dark purples, dark pinks, things like that. Colors like that. And then I saw these. I'm gonna do it like this. Hopefully you can see them. Gold butterflies. I just thought those were very pretty. And I have some silver ones from before. And I also got some notebooks. These are for giveaways. The Future is Bright, and it's a hardcover and has lined paper. So got 1, 2. This one says Choose Happy, and this one says Daydreamer. So these will be in giveaways, like I said, the books, because everybody can use a notebook, right? When you're crocheting, we take notes, or we write our patterns down. I'm not very good at writing patterns. Really sorry about that, but I can do tutorials. And I'll just write down, you know, the size of yarn I use, the hook size, and just jot down what I'm doing when I do the pattern, but it's not worded so everybody can understand it, and I'm still learning how to do that. So, yes, notebooks are important. Okay, let's see. Oh, a finished object I want to show you is, now I have this on my Instagram, which is crafty.yarn.owl. So if you make something you want me to see it, tag me. By all means, tag me. Or if you do any of my patterns, tag me, because I love seeing what other people use for yarn and colorways, things like that. Just love that, because that inspires me, right? So this is a little purse that I made. This is a Bag a Day pattern, which I'll link below as well. And it's got puff stitches, and it's got these drop stitches, or what is the other one they use? The other name. I forget what the other name is. And then these are back loop only, and I made the strap as well. So yeah, this measures about, what is it, 11.5 by 6, I believe, and it's worked in the round, so the design's on both sides. And yeah, I just thought it was so cute. You know, the pattern was cute, and I got the idea from Setta's Place. Hi, Setta. Oh, Sarah. Hi, Sarah. I forgot to say hi to you. Oh, my goodness. Hi, Setta. Setta's having a bag a month. So she puts up, well, she links a tutorial to Bag a Day's bag. And then that's what she's going to make that month. And you can make it if you like, you know. And so she inspired me to make this one. Yes, you did, Setta. Thank you. Mine is smaller than Bag a Day's. She used a bulky 5. That's what Crystal used. I don't have that size of yarn, but I had this yarn that I got from Affordably Crafty Kim. I will link her below as well. I love to, you know, let other people know about other channels, because sometimes you don't see them or find them that easily. So like Pamela said, we need shout outs no matter the size of our channel. We need shout outs to get ourselves out there and to share our makes and things, and to inspire others. And yeah, so this is what I used, the Red Heart Heat Wave. So I know, like, this is supposed to warm up, I think, in the sun. So when I use this purse, don't have chocolate in it. Yeah. Anyway, all right. So the Red Heart Heat Wave. is 4 weight. Recommended hook size is 5.5 millimeter, and I can't remember if I used a 5 or a 5.5. My notes have been recycled already for this purse, so I'm not sure. But and what else? It is 100% acrylic. Look at that gorgeous color. It's called Bikini for some reason. It's actually a pink. It's darker, I think, than what's showing on my camera there. And they call it, yeah, they call it Bikini. But yeah, that's red heart, sunlight activated, even on cloudy days. That's what it says. Heat generating yarn, red heart, heat wave. And yes, I got this from Affordably Crafty. Like I said, we had done a yarn swap a while back, and that's on my channel as well. So I think, I'm just looking at my notes, I think that's it. So not too long of a video, right? I know you guys have other videos to watch, and so do I, so I don't want to make too long of a video. But again, this is the purse. So yes, be sure to check out the links that I put below. And I also have a new tutorial on it's a one-piece sweater, and it has, I put cap sleeves on it. You can continue on with the sleeves and make them long. You can do whatever you want, right? Do you do that with patterns? I do that. I sometimes change them. I don't do them exactly as the designers do, but you can still tell whose design it is, right? Okay, so thank you so much, and I will see you all next time. Bye-bye. Oh, just one more thing about this bag. Like I said, Crystal used a 5 bulky, and I used a 4 weight. I just wanted to mention that she chained up 66. I chained up 84 because of the smaller yarn. So just wanted to let you know that if you want to make one with a lighter weight yarn. So I think that's it. Thank you for joining me, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.